All right, you guys, so today we're going to work on one problem. Again, these are multi-step word problems that you may see on your assessment. So make sure you're paying attention to these problems. So this one says Marisol and Javion sold boxes of cookies to raise money for the basketball team. Marisol sold 11 boxes, so y'all circled 11 boxes, and Javion sold 42 boxes. All right, what do you think I would do with this first sentence? Marisol sold 11 boxes and Javion sold 42. What will I have to do first? Good, I'll have to add these up first. So I'm going to add up 42 plus 11 boxes. That's my first step. I'm not going to solve it. I'm going to keep going though. I just know that's my first step. Then, if each box contained 13 cookies, how many cookies did they sell? So if each, I'm going to box each because I see that's a key word. Each box means to do what? Great, multiply. So I know I'm multiplying. Each box contained 13 cookies. So whatever I get, my next step is I have to times it by 13. I know that. So I'm going to go ahead and start solving this problem. My first step is to add. So I know I'm adding 42 plus 11. All right, so when I add 42 plus 11, 2 plus 1 is 3, 4 plus 1 is 5. So there are 53 boxes. So I know that there are 53 boxes. And then if each box contained 13 cookies, so I know I'm doing 53 times 13 now. All right, so I'm going to do it the area model way. I'm just going to erase a little bit. Now I'm going to put it right here. So I know I'm doing 53. How do I break apart 53? The 50 plus 3, and then 13. 53 times 13. Let me erase this part. All right, so I want to break apart 13, 10 plus 3. And then I'm going to go ahead and solve this, all right? So I know 50 times 10. What is 50 times 10? Good, 500. This box is 10 times 3. 10 times 3 is 30. This box, what multiplication problem goes in this box? Good, 50 times 30, which is 150. And then 3 times 3 is 9. So now I'm just going to add up all of these numbers. So I want to add up 1,500 plus 150. Oops, see, I moved myself. Plus 30 plus 9. So what will I get when I add up 1,500 plus 150 plus 30 plus 9? Oh, wait. So remember, this is a 5. Not 1,500. That's 500. So what will I get when I add up 500 plus 150 plus 30 plus 9? Good. 689. So 689 will be my answer.